Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video I will be preparing this amazing Escovitch fish fillet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now let's cook. So guys, here we have our fish and I'm using Basa fillet. Now I'm pat drying my fish just to get rid of excess moisture, which also helps the fillet to brown nicely. Now guys, I'm adding a tablespoon of canola oil just so that the season can adhere better. Now to season my fish, I'm using the Maggi season. I'm also using parsley because y'all know I love parsley. I'm using black pepper and salt. Now I'm just going ahead and rubbing all that amazing season over my fish, just making sure that it is well seasoned, guys. You guys can also go ahead and marinate your fish overnight. Yeah, or even a couple hours before you start frying. Now to frying, I'm using a medium-sized skillet. And I add a sprig of thyme just to give the oil some flavor. You guys can also go ahead and add scallion and also pepper. Now I'm adding the fish in the heated oil. Now I'm going to be frying these for 5 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. Remember that fish has little to no connective tissue, which means that, it takes nothing to cook it. Yeah, it doesn't take a long time to prepare. Now I'm turning my fish and you're just going to look for this beautiful golden color, guys. Yeah, just amazing. Now guys, here we have our fish. Now I'm going to be placing them on paper towel just to get rid of the excess oil. Now for the pickles for this guys, the veggies, I will be doing a video on that one. Well, I already did the video, but it will be coming out later on in the week. Yeah, so be sure to check that out. So now guys, I'm just placing our veggies on our fish, and yeah, we've come to the end of the video. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.